I just cut up my smoked sausage, and now I am bringing in a sheet pan here. And I have some baby gold potatoes. I'm going to pour these right into the corner of my sheet pan here for this super easy and delicious sheet pan dinner. Make sure they're not touching too much. Now we have some olive oil, and we're just gonna drizzle some olive oil all over each one of our potatoes here. Make sure they all get coated in some delicious olive oil. Let's just rub them a little bit to make sure they are all evenly coated. And you can peel these if you want, but I'm not going to. Now we have some delicious taco seasoning. And I'm gonna do a nice amount of taco seasoning all over. Okay, we had to come in with the spoon because that was not working for me. So just get a nice amount of taco seasoning all over your potatoes. Try not to be as messy as I am, but that's how it goes sometimes in the kitchen. It just gets like that, okay? There we go, that looks great. Now we have some Italian seasoning that we're gonna put all over our potatoes as well. We really wanna get these nice and seasoned for this wonderful dish. And then just the basic stuff, some pepper. Do a nice quick ground of pepper on all of our potatoes. Some salt. I want to do a little more salt than pepper because we all know the potatoes can be very bland if not seasoned properly. Oh, those look good already. All right, they are going in the oven at 400 for 15 minutes. All right, here's our potatoes. They were in there for 15 minutes. Now we have 1 pound of thawed frozen green beans that we're gonna add right here in the center. It's actually 12 ounces, not a pound. Just thought I'd make that clear for you guys. And then we're just gonna go ahead and add our sausage in over here on this side. Oh wow, that looks great already. And we haven't even cooked it yet, but it looks so good. All right, now we need some more olive oil, of course, to drizzle over our green beans. So just give that a quick drizzle. And then on the sausage, just give that a little drizzle too. And then we're gonna take some garlic here. We're gonna do a nice heaping amount of garlic all over our green beans. I love garlic on my green beans. I don't know about you guys, but ooh, I love it. It's so good. Then some salt. Some nice freshly ground salt to give those babies some flavor. You know they need it. That sausage don't need no salt though. I don't think that needs salt, but then I do want to put some pepper on them too. Put a nice amount of pepper on there real quick. I just love pepper, that's why I'm adding it. Okay, and now we're just gonna give everything a light mix together here. Just combine everything together right in your sheet pan. Oh, this sausage is gonna get nice and brown. Those green beans are gonna be nice and soft and garlicky, and everything with the potatoes. Oh man, I can't wait to eat this. It's pretty healthy too, besides the sausage, of course, but you could use turkey sausage if you want to go a bit healthier, but I don't know, I just felt like having the regular smoked sausage tonight. All right, that's looking great. And you can use fresh green beans too if you like, but I just wanted to opt for the frozen. Just thought that would be easier. They're already washed and everything. You just gotta thaw them out. All right. And once you get everything mixed together to your liking, it will be time to pop this back in the oven. Just spread it out a little bit, flatten it out. Make sure everything's nice and evenly dispersed on here. Like you can just pick it up and place it where you want. If you want more potatoes somewhere, just move it around, more green beans. All right, that looks great. Doesn't that look great, David?
Oh yeah,
We lost the potato.
Looks super tasty.
Oh, those colors, right? All right, so now we're gonna pop this back in the oven at 400 for 20 to 30 minutes. Ooh, this smells divine. Oh. Let's get some of this with our tongs. Oh, yummy. Get some green beans and some sausage. Oh, yum. That looks so good. Let's try. Oh, look at that beautifully browned sausage. And look, potato, perfectly cooked. See? Green bean.